Oh, wow. Good morning, folks. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's good. I need a haircut. I need a haircut. These markets look kind of dumpy. Hope you guys all had a good weekend. We'll be trading two accounts today. One performance, one eval. See if we can make some money. Looking bit spooky here, man, on the NQ. They don't hold up here. What's going on, Robus? Good day, good day. You just took a short on NQ, and yes, yeah, I was gonna short Russell, but I just, it was kind of underway already once I got here. This does look a little bit dumpy though, for sure. It's kind of a long stop. I think I'm going to be trading Russell from now on, man. The stops are just too long, man, on the too big on the other ones. This looks like it's distributing, man. You know what I mean? This looks like distribution. We fucking fail here, it's gonna be like, look up below, man. Like what else is there? This is all tested, you know. This is tested. I guess this bottom one, not really. I would think we'd see new lows. Yeah, I trade the micros, but yeah, the Russell, at least the stops for me is a little bit easier, man. They can have it a little bit further away. And just, I don't know, lately they've been respecting the price action a little bit better for me. I mean, I can't see it correctly. The last week I didn't have a good week trading. I lost money. Let's have a look at gold. Let's have a look at gold and oil. Fucking dump continues, I think, on this shit too. He did gain this 5. I think we're going to be waiting until the market opens anyway. Yeah, I can look at silver. I like it. Yeah, I like it a little bit lower. They hit this weekly order gap, or this weekly fair value gap, but I still like it a little bit lower, man. 15 years. Just in case people forget, you know what I mean? 15 years. You're just stuck in a fucking silver fucking long for forever. I honestly like it better down here. Sweeping this. Liquidity here now. Big liquidity here. All the people who shorted. Let's look at the 4 hour. Let's zoom it in a bit. I wouldn't be taking any longs, any like serious longs, until we gain something, man. Looks like they've gained on the smaller time frame. Maybe the hourly. Yeah. Yeah. I still think we're gonna run into trouble up here. I don't think this is the last push, but probably a little bit of a long can be taken. At the very least, till up here, right? Kind of underway on the 1 hour. Did they give a 15-minute entry? Maybe. There's still the 15-minute down here. It's kind of how I look at silver. I don't know if that'll get hit. Looks like they're just gonna keep this. This is the hourly rate, so I'll be looking at this liquidity over top of this guy. I can even put that a little bit lower. Here, that would be the range. Re-short. How's gold look? War is back on the menu, yeah? Yeah, you know, this is fully tested, right? So I would expect them to at the very least take the liquidity from out from underneath this, and if they're gonna take that, they'll probably take this. But really, gold is most likely. I'm not buying anything until we get down to like 3,500. That would be my first buy. I want to buy like physical gold there. I'm gonna put it in a fucking safe in the villa. Silver too. I imagine if gold's gonna go down here, silver's gonna still drop more too, right? So still got a little bit ways to go, I think. We did start DCAing into Bitcoin. Just Bitcoin is all I bought so far, and it was just a little buy. I still think we're headed lower. I bought the last sweep of this 59.2. I do. We could see a little rally, but you know, I still believe that we're going down here, man. I think we're gonna sweep this. I hope this holds, man, but yeah, I think we're gonna sweep this, and I think we're probably going to the 40s, man. Maybe even 39. But regardless, I'll DCA here. This whole range, I'll DCA. As soon as if we make another low, I'll buy again. I have money loaded up, ready to go. It's just waiting. So we make. That's how I'm gonna DCA this. Just small amounts every time we sweep the weekly lows. Or if we start gaining something seriously, then I'll just lump some in. Right now, this is just a move on liquidity. This liquidity here. But like this swing is tested, man. Like this is tested already. So like, you know, I don't know. I really don't think that this is gonna hold. This is gonna hold. I'd like to see it hold, but I kind of think that they'll just take the liquidity and go. Because there's a big untested area here, right? So, and that matches up with the liquidity here too. So I don't know. I hope. What's up, Craftsman? What's up, brother? Welcome back. Welcome in. We got the Russell loaded up. I think we're going to be trading the Russell. That's what we're going to be looking at. The 3-minute chart or the 3-month chart? Are you talking about Bitcoin? BTC? Yeah, I'd like to see this swing hold, you know. But I kind of feel like we're gonna take this. Let's bring it to the 6-month chart. Sweep that low, yeah. Sweep it's like the weekly swing low. This weekly, you know, this whole thing. So I kind of had this circle before. This swing. This is a big untested area here. Around like 44. So, you know, it doesn't have to go all the way down there because there's going to be a shit ton of liquidity underneath the swing, right? So even anywhere around there, that's why it's like, it's kind of hard, man. You never know where this is going to go or how it's going to go. That's why it's, for me, it's just easier just to GCA in, right? I have shorts from 95. I took some PTs on the shorts, and those PTs just went right into spot positions. So as we take weekly swing lows, as we keep sweeping the swing lows of the week, I'll be buying again. So the next buy will be at 57-ish. Yeah. A lot of people have that same idea. So that's why I wouldn't be surprised either if they just hold this, right? Like they just hold right here and just go. They start gaining, you know what I mean? Just keep an eye on the 4 hour. They need to gain, you know, if they start gaining above this and having serious closes above this with conviction, then, you know, you need to be taking longs. At least like some kind of long, some kind of hedge long, right? Just in case. But honestly, I don't think so, man. This also, like 63 is where they need to really get back above. This is why I just started DCAing, man. Just because it's like, it's gonna be, I'm gonna be holding that. So what do you guys think about the markets today? Give me a fucking wild market open, man. We got the war back on, the war's back off. Like, fuck, man. Make up your minds, dude. You just get this over with and we just get back to fucking the bull market. The regular bull market. Tech has lost tons, right? A lot of people like de-risking and starting to put money out of tech and like into like safer assets. Pretty crazy. One of my customers are from Pakistan, and they're having problems paying, man, because they can't get their fucking money out of Pakistan. I guess there's like some war over there too with Afghanistan. I'm sure you guys would know a little bit more about that. It's more in your neck of the woods, Craftsman. But yeah, they're saying they're having problems just getting their money out of the country, man. It sucks. Can't imagine trying to get your money. We're still working on the trading bot too. Having a little complications with fucking Claude. We'll get it sorted out. My buddy just kind of ghosted me all weekend. Let's just clean up this chart a bit. This is still valid. Honestly. Just remove all this shit. Just a big fucking stuck in a range here, man. It's gonna be nothing until market open. All right, boys. What do you guys think, man? What are we thinking here? So basically held the hourly here. It's not very convincing. We'll see if they lose something. Is what I think on CFDs RTY. I don't understand you. Cool. What do you mean? What do you mean, brother? Super low volume right now, man. Market's really coiled up. %2 up move on RTY. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna work on getting the chat back on the screen here so you guys can see the other people that are chatting. That's the only thing I don't like about multi-streaming, man, is like the chat's not all in one place. Kind of stupid. Really, what we should do is move the chat into the Discord, and then all chat will be in the Discord. Yeah, before it was fine. I know that the software I was using before stopped working. So I need to, I already found a solution. I just haven't had the time to put any effort into fucking the stream. Shit takes time. Time that I don't have. I onboarded 3 more villas to fucking management, and then I also took on another construction job. But the construction job, at least I have a foreman that's going to take care of most of it, so I don't have to do it too much. But I onboarded 3 more villas. Russell kind of looks like it wants to take the new highs, man, really. It held this, right? Just held the 4 hour. So it's cleared out the top. I don't want to take a long. And last time it held the 4 hour, cleared out the top. These wicks that clear out the test, and then blast. This is all cleared out already, so not much, you know. It's pretty clear way to the top. But then who knows what's gonna happen after that. Hey, we got about 20 minutes till the market open. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna grab a quick drink, have a smoke. What's up, BDP? We here. We in it. What do you think, BDP? It's either up or down. $15 minutes until the open. I'm not doing shit until the open, man. It's pretty low volume here. Like I said before, we did start DCAing into crypto again. The last buy is at 200. We'll be buying again if we sweep the lows again. $74.60. Yeah, the 4 hour. I think I'm trading the Russell. This 4 hour is very important for sure. Got this 4 hour failure to gain up here too, right? 84. If we do dump, it'll be a big dump. Because everything is tested. Can I get this like situated a little bit better here? I just want to see the time, man. Bar countdown settings enabled. Finally, bro. little bit of selling on Russell here. The volume's so low, man. Russell losing the internal one. Internal 1 minute. See if they hold this here. Oof. Not looking too promising for the longs. Leaning more towards a sell. Five minutes until the open. New local low on Russell. Yeah, I think it's gonna dump. See if we can get a retest. Russell close to losing the 15-minute. Nice. This just looked like a distribution pattern, right? Like they're really grinding this in here, right? Usually when it's like that, what the hell? Usually when it looks like this, it's distribution. But we'll see. They could still save it. Russell breaking below the 15 now. CL long? CL long. Maybe off this. Yeah, maybe. I don't really like how they didn't really gain it with any kind of, you know, didn't leave any kind of gap. I think I'd be more inclined to short this, short 70, you know. All right, continued selling here. We're probably going to be looking for a short if we do get a retest on Russell. See how this 15-minute closes in the next 17 seconds, or in the next 1 minute. Sorry. We may miss this trade. It's already dumping pretty good here. All right, here's the market open in 7 seconds. Big selling. Yeah, we're not going to get an entry here, man. Kind of an important area right here on Russell. Nice, Robust. Fuck, man. Totally missed it. Yeah, that's the plan. I want to short up here, but we'll see if it happens. $30.20 is too much too. All right, I'm gonna start shorting Russell here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Just a small short, man.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Couple quick
Order
PTs.
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
This might hold now. They did hold the 4 hour. I just want to get a couple more off here, man.
Order filled. Order filled.
I have 5 micros short. We'll see if it dumps. We'll take a couple more too.
Order filled. Order filled.
113 per account.
Order filled.
A few of these I put in I write like too late, you know, so I want to get them out. I'm just gonna close this off, man. Okay, I'm gonna close it here.
Order filled.
220 per account. That's okay, you know, not too bad. 220 per account. Fucking picture perfect, man. Loses the 15. Come back, perfect retest. 30-30. Not bad. 440 today. I'll take it. I closed the trade because I hit the wrong button. When I tried to take profits, I was selling the market, so I was adding to the position down here. So I was way out of position, so I just closed it. Good enough. This is a little weird now, you know what I mean? Because they went down and they held the 4 hours, so you know they could hold this. I'd like to see them take the 4 hour liquidity. And then we can talk about another trade. I don't think there's going to be too much more to be done here, right? Because you're kind of stuck. Really good trade though on Russell. That was perfect, man. You know, lose the 15, perfect retest, big dump. Take your PTs and get the fuck home. Go the fuck home. Well, it's high volatility just at the market open, but now it's like we're back after the first initial volatility. It's like now we're back stuck again, right? Are they gonna lose this 4 hour, or are they gonna hold it? They've been trying to decide for days. You know, on Russell too, they've been trying to decide if they're gonna hold this for fucking days, man. So I know Cool got that trade. Hopefully some of you other guys got some PTs there. They're holding the 4 hour, right? Like they're holding this 4 hour swing up here. You see it? So it's kind of an important swing here to hold. You can see how it's played a pivotal part here. Nice. Tesla's banging. Nice. I still have my Tesla, so let it bang, baby. Oh yeah, it is banging. Oh, yeah. I want it to bang bang, you know? Let's get the show back on the road here, Tesla. You've been fucking around for how long, man? How long do I need to hold this position? It is banging though. Up 2% today. You're shorting again? Cool. I don't know. I don't know about that. Bitcoin losing too. Kind of important for Bitcoin to pull their shit back up here. This is all tested. Looks like we might be making another Bitcoin purchase. Looks like new low is coming for Bitcoin. Shorting here on Russell is just this second test, right? You really don't want to take those. Even if it works out, like it's not the safest option, right? The safer option is just take the first tests. Because the second time, the third time it comes into somewhere, like it's way less probable that it'll work. Probabilities on first tests are good. They're really good. You know what I mean? So that's why you should just focus on doing first tests. That's it. There's plenty of time. There's lots of days. You know what I mean? Tomorrow there'll be another first test somewhere. Even later today. Like these markets are ripping. These markets are ripping now. Gonna be somewhere around there. It's hard. The software sucks for the fucking thing. We're at resistance on ES. You're shorting this? Cool. I don't know about that. There's a 5-minute one up here coming up. But maybe just for scalp. The way it held this 4 hour, I wouldn't short that. You know what I mean? Maybe for a scalp. $50 points down, yeah? Maybe. It's like they're gonna try to hold the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour here. So Really, you want to see them hold above that 25. This swing, really, you don't want to see them lose this swing. This is too dangerous now, though, man. It's too dangerous now. You don't know what's gonna happen. They're holding the 4 hour. They're holding the 1 hour. NQ and ES are ripping. How's YM looking? YM's ripping too. Quite the ripper. Missed a pretty good trade here. Would have worked out. Let's just look at oil. How we looking on oil? Oil's starting to rip. Held the 5. Held the hourly. Gold. Are we looking? Yeah, PDP always gets the answer sheet in advance. That fucker. Gold, decent short was here. Even if this dumps now, I don't. It's just not the type of trade, man, for me. Danger. Quite the dump though. Nice trade, cool. If you took that. You reshorted, yeah? Good job. You got to take a PT here, though, man. You never know. What if they hold this 4 hour again? They held it like 10 times already. A little bit of a rejection on ES and NQ. Resistance. Just have a quick look over there. 1 minute. Not really a trade for me. Maybe on NQ. No, not really. Too far. Stop is too far. Moves are basically done though. See if these guys reject here. Yeah, it held again. For now, it could still dump, man. You could be right. If it dumps though, it's gonna dump fucking huge, right? It's not gonna, it won't be like a little dump. But that 4 hour just seems to be holding for, you know, it's been holding for a long time. $29.83, dude. I think maybe even lower. You know what I mean? If they truly reject this, then yeah, it'll be $29.99. The liquidity there, and then if they reject this 4 hour, all this is tested, man. So like, you know, probably down here, $29.30. Probably this gap right here. $29.13. That's why I kind of think that they're going to just hold it, because it's like such a far down until the next thing. The next thing down is $29.15. I kind of feel like they're just going to hold this. Oh yeah, 100%. You should be taking PTs. You should take a PT here. You should take another PT at 99 on a sweep of this liquidity. The next PT should be here at 68 or somewhere in here if you want to just do it in range. 83 is fine too, yeah. Yeah, 83 would be fine. And then this 35, and then this down here 15. You should take PTs at all of them, really. If you're trading the CFD, I think you can hold it too, right? Like you don't have to be out of the you don't have to be out of the trade, right? You're trading CFDs, right? Cool. I should really look into trading some CFDs on a longer time frame. Yeah, maybe I'll just do it with crypto. You can basically trade every asset now on Binance or on Bybit. See you tomorrow, Robus. Have a good one, brother. Go get some sun, man. Go touch some grass. Good job today, bud. Yeah, it's nighttime for me too. This is the 4 hour right here. Kind of want to see them hold this. If you want them higher, or break it if you want it lower. Leaving equal lows here on the 5 minute. It's not the greatest sign for higher. Here's a new low. Man, what a dump on ES and NQ. Wow, I should have shorted that. Did you take a PT there? Should have. Take your PTs, man. Don't forget to take PTs. What a dump, man. Wow. Was there a trade to be had there on ES? Let's have a look. He didn't really. There is this, sure. He could come back and do it. Just like the stop is so big now, man. Like, you know what I mean? Like if I want to short this is on the 1 minute. You know, I want to short here 72 and I want my stop at 90. That's why I changed to Russell, man. More reasonable, you know what I mean? Actually give me an entry that I can have a stop in some kind of reasonable spot. This looks disgusting. This is the yeah, this has already been tested though, so this is very, very scary to be taking longs here. What else we got? Oh my god.